Well, yeah, absolutely. I am a computer scientist and an artificial intelligence major. And I've studied this back when most people didn't even know in Germany, at least, what computer science was. They thought, because it's called informatic, and they thought I was studying journalism. And at the time, in the early 80s, I studied artificial intelligence. But now artificial intelligence can be used and should be used. So this is one of the most important aspects that, that I find extremely exciting. For instance, that we could use right now, for instance, if there is anything that you miss within this crisis that you would like to have, for instance, let's pick something. Is it a contract that you would like to do and doesn't go through because there aren't enough people going to work and so on? There are AI tools that are able to help you, or maybe you can develop those that can help you with, processing contracts faster. There are systems that can do that a few 1,000 times faster than normal things. Another thing, shopping. I miss, for instance, going into a store and trying on something, a dress or a piece of pants or whatever. So you can, if that's what you like to do, you could start developing an AR system, VR system that helps people shopping, offline shopping. There are systems that are doing that right now, or companies that are developing. So digitalization is massively accelerated through COVID-19, which also leads to dematerialization and democratization, which means that makes stuff available to everybody. And Jill mentioned something very important that I'd like to reiterate on. She talks about investing, and most of us would think, oh my God, but I don't have money to invest. Well, I would encourage you to reconsider the definition. You are an investor. You, as she said in her presentation, you invest with your vote. You invest with with your time, your money, your resources. Everybody's an investor. Another thing that you could do, education is going to shift, as you know, probably massively. We're moving away from a 1 degree at the beginning of life toward a lifelong learning. The same thing is happening to healthcare. What can you do to contribute to the development of an industry that is starting new? Ongoing education, lifelong learning versus 1 degree. Or 2 or 3 at the beginning of your life. Healthcare is the same thing. We're moving away from healthcare or sick care, as I would rather call it today, to ongoing healthcare. So what is it that you are missing that you would like to have that you could develop? And then we could go have more time, or in one of the later conferences, we could go into the details, how you could do that, how you can develop a business plan, gather a team, fundraising. There is more capital available than ever before. So don't buy into this scarcity thinking, because it's wrong. Scarcity is a lie. And fear is a wonderful servant, but a terrible master. Don't let it guide you.